So here they are, guys. I wanted to show the Aquamarine and the Turquoise Lavender wraps in the sunlight. Just kind of compare them. It doesn't do any justice online in the pictures that I've seen. And so I wanted to get something that really showed the live look to it. And so here's what I got. I originally had wrapped my, or started to wrap in a camo with some off-brand Chinese wrap, and it just wasn't, like, it was starting to bubble and stuff, and so like I'm just gonna go with some premium stuff. So, but I was stuck between these two vinyls, and I wasn't really sure what they look like. And so I don't know if there's somebody else out there also comparing these two and trying to figure out which one they might like. But I wanted to get a bunch of different in the sun, uh, kind of different angles so you could see them. And I'll go ahead and reverse it also and put it the turquoise lavender on the top and put the aquamarine on the bottom. But what I noticed with this one here is, like, in the direct sunlight, it has a really, really bright purple, and this one more goes to like a yellow color. I don't know if the camera's really picking that up or if the light texture is changing it. But anyway, what I'm noticing, you can kind of see it on the edge right here. It goes to like a yellow in the bright sun. And so then this one, kind of in the shadow, goes to like that blue aquamarine color. So like there, you can kind of see it right there. And then in the sunlight it goes purple, and then in the distance it goes purple. So, and then it goes with more of that blue hue to it. So I'm not sure how to describe it. So let me see if I can switch them up here. So I'll put this one on the top. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right, so go like that. I'll put that one on the curve. There we go. Okay, so let's see if that works. Yeah, it still looks really blue. And then again, you can kind of see it there. It looks nice though. I mean, it looks real nice. I actually prefer this lavender color. My wife prefers the aquamarine. She says I could wrap her car in aquamarine. So when I become an expert at using this foil, now, oh, look at that color. See, that's a deep purple I was mentioning when it hits the light just right. So hopefully that captures well on camera. But from the side, I mean, you could just see that it looks kind of blue. The lavender looks kind of blue, and then you could see the lavender as a majority, and then highlight when the light hits it. And then for the aquamarine, it looks really blue and then it turns green. But then the part I don't really like is it just kind of goes to that yellow, like that bright yellow. Now, if you're a fan of yellow, again, like my wife, she loves that yellow. She's like, oh, that's just gorgeous. So anyway, there's kind of some in the sun live looks to this color. I haven't really decided. I'm gonna look a couple more times, I think. But just wanted to put a little video together and show these wraps. So hopefully you guys find the comparison video. Oh, and also, and I'm mentioning this at the end, these are both matte. So this is the matte finish. This isn't the gloss. I don't know what the gloss would look like. I definitely want to go with the matte. I like the matte look. I was walking up to my car a couple nights ago, and you could just see, like, in the distance, you see like all the reflection from the light coming from a street light, and then it hit the matte texture, camo texture, and you couldn't really see the camo, but it completely dithered the light, and you didn't see it on the hood. And I thought that was so cool. So, but anyway, all right. Put your comments and likes below if this video is helpful, and have a wonderful day, guys.